Right, everybody. What we doing? We mowing? We mowing the grass or we mowing the trees? Oh, he's just mowing. Look at that. That'd be cool to have a lawnmower like that. Okay, there we go. Wasn't that exciting? March 1st, everybody. I'll be back. Welcome back, everybody. Yeah, we are recording. I'll tell you what, it's a lot easier to hit buttons when you got fingers than when you got them big old heated gloves on. Oh, big bump. It is March 1st. It's a Wednesday. It's gonna be 71 degrees today. It's telling me it's 66 right now. And I took the day off work. I was like, screw it. That looks like a fun little road. I'm out scouting. I'm not scouting. I'm just out for a ride. I don't know where I'm going. I am on a road I'm really never on. I'm like, I don't know, an hour from my house. I'm on 60, heading to I can say it, Warsaw. There we go. I don't know why that was so hard to say. I like roads like this. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh, and then we're gonna go this way. Oh yeah. There we go. What we got? Lone horse in the field. Isn't it just super pretty up here? My kind of road. That's a pretty horse. Oh yeah. So what are we going to talk about today instead of me just going, oh yeah? I track my mileage on my phone. That's if I'm in a car or if I'm on a Spider. I separate it whenever I do a trip or whenever I leave the house when I get home. So I don't really, I work from home, I don't leave. And I have only ridden, driven or ridden in a vehicle. I think I'm up to like 84 miles this year. Yeah, 84 miles. I have either been in a vehicle driving it or have been the passenger. 84 miles. But I've ridden on a Spider almost 1,500 this year alone. So it just goes to show, you know, I don't go out and just hop on a car and go somewhere. I'm always on my Spider. Always on my, well, I guess Spiders. Where are we at now? What's this little town? Wakatamaka? I'm pretty sure that's not how it's pronounced, but we'll go with it. You know, this year being able to ride so much, not only this one, but the black one when the weather's been just in salt, it really makes me, that truck's flying. It really wants me to find a place where I can ride all year round. And either just move there or snowbird. That would be a nice view way up there. Looking down over the valley. And I was going to go into Holmes County today. I don't know if I'm going to make it that far. I came off at 16. I would have taken that all the way up to 83, but I liked... 16's been closed for a minute. And I like how they kind of routed us around this last time. And so I'm going to do that. And I don't know if I'm going to go to like Roscoe Village or if I'm just going to stay on 60. Maybe take it up to 62 and loop back down. I don't know. It's Wednesday. I'm not at work. It's beautiful. I'm riding. Maybe even later today I can break out the stuff to wash this Spider. I don't know the last time. I did like a half a wash to it, and then I went riding and it was raining. It just you know, it's what happens when you ride in the rain. And it wasn't that I was riding in the rain, it had just rained, and Yeah, well, you know, it's what happens when you have a spider that you ride in the weather. They get a little dirty. Boom. You ready, people? Nice and easy. Back to no traffic. Yeah, I mean, that's the only way to ride. I commuted for years on my Spider, so I am like super comfortable riding on the highway and in big cities with traffic all around me. I don't have a problem with that. And in fact, there's times that I will come off a road like this and jump on the highway just so I feel like I've gone somewhere. It's really weird. You know, this is my favorite type of riding right here. No traffic, beautiful scenery, just you riding and just having a good time listening to music. But there are times I don't want to be on a back road. I want to go fast. You know, what I mean fast, I don't want to do. You see that little kid on there? Riding with his paw. Heck yeah. I don't want to go 45, 55, 60, 65 right now. You know, I'm going to go a little quicker. And I'll just stop on the highway and get somewhere. And then I'll come off the highway. Like today's ride was perfect. I left Lancaster. I jumped on a highway and was running, you know, highway speeds. And now here I am. Quite fantastic. Oh no, there's a BMW up there. Are we gonna catch a BMW? And today's ride was wonderful because as I just sit and I don't move, I start to get really sore. Now see, the detour used to take us to the right, and I can take that all the way into Roscoe Village. I don't know if I want to go into Roscoe Village as of yet, so I think I might just turn right and then turn left and stay on 60. Even though 541 is decent road, as I get the hiccups yet again. Silicone that back window in. That's how we do it, boys. Go straight. You know, oh, come on, man. Come on, man. You're killing me. Ooh, a 5 Series. Well, they got a lot of stuff in their yard. I would say it's an Ohio thing, but I know it's not. You know, I've been everywhere, and you know, it's just people collect things, and I like looking at their collection. You know, sometimes it's really cool things. There was a town. No, it wasn't a town. It's a house just outside the town I live in, and he had a lot of 40s vehicles, maybe even early 50 vehicles, just chilling in his yard, you know, as yard art. And he would change out the vehicles here and there, and I mean, he would have flowers on them, and it was cool. I mean, so I like looking at the we'll call it yard art, but sometimes it's just junk, but I like looking at it, you know. Guess we're gonna follow a BMW. Ooh, what a fantastic road. I need to get the black Spider up through here. Now what I need to do, and I need to look at it, not only today am I hoping I get to wash the Spider, but I need to get that battery pulled out and run it up to parts store and get that checked. But I'm going to pull the back seat up, and I'm going to see if I can bypass how this seat always pushes that it thinks I'm two up. I'm going to fix it to where it doesn't see that, because I'm really tired of putting brakes on this thing. Normally I would be putting brake pads on it just now, and I'm almost ready for a second set of brake pads to go on this thing. You know, that's the only reason. Now, if I have my daughter or my wife on here, yeah, I'll take whatever I use to delete that, and I'll take it out. You know, I don't have a problem with it being on if I'm two up. But I ride a lot not two up. And it's funny. Like, you can really feel it tugging on that rear brake, and I think it uses the rear brake a lot. Like I said, I'm not a BRP technician in any way, but I can actually hear the rear pads making contact with the rotor at times, and I'm like, what in the world? Can we do this? There we goes. Get hard on the brakes. Boom, up and over and into 6th gear. There we go. But yeah, I can really feel this thing getting hard on the brakes at times on simple things that it shouldn't, and it's just putting more wear and tear on this Spider. I put enough wear and tear on my things. I don't need the system to also add more wear and tear. I hate these off camber, you know, because it's pitched off to the right to drain water. They need to. I hate them. I just hate them. I hate them. I hate them. Makes the Spider all nervousy. There we go. Not a car in sight. They got cows in their yard, Art. Oh, this is a big one. Boom, boom, boom. Slow down. I think I said boosh. See, like, when I hit the brakes, I can hear those rear pads. Not that they're metal or metal. I can just hear them contacting the rotors. Little Honda. Are we coming into Warsaw? I think it was only supposed to be like 7 miles up the road, eh? Well, I think on that I'm going to let everybody go, and I am going to listen to some music and, you know, see where this takes me. Oh, that's a nice old Chevy truck. Look at that bad boy. Silverado 3500. Let's get around this, and then we'll see where ours is. That's it. There we go. I think that's going to be it for today. I hope you like the ramblings. I'm definitely just off work, just chilling. Give me a big old thumbs up if you did. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.